Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got my Retevis RT82 hooked up to an outdoor antenna, and I'm trying to see if I can hit one of the local repeaters. This one is in St. Petersburg, which is maybe 10 to 15 miles from me. Ooh, maybe even more. At least 15 miles. So let me see if I can hit it. KE4 GSK listing. Yeah, I was able to hit it. Now let's see if anybody responds. I'm trying to keep the screen so you can see the screen. I'm hand holding this, of course. Let's see if I can get a radio check. This is KE4 GSK. Can anybody give me a radio check? I'm in Clearwater, Florida on TAC 310.
Kilo Bravo 8, Golf Oscar Bravo. Here's Rich. I can hear you, but you're a little on the faint side. Audio is not real strong, but your signal's fine. KB8AOB.
Hey, oh, there goes. I can't hit the repeater. Yeah, I'm using a handheld, and I'm kind of stretched to get close to it. I'm probably 18 inches away from the microphone, so therefore the audio is kind of low. Thanks for the comeback, KE4 GSK.
Okay, KE4 GSK. That would be the issue, I'm sure, because probably 4 inches or 5 inches, maybe not directly in your mouth, certainly increases a great bit. So, but it sounds good. Don't have any issues at all, and your packet loss was 0, so you're in the system. KB8AOB.
Okay, thanks for the comeback. Yeah, this is a Retevis, and it's got a special connector on the side, so none of my speaker mics will work. I'll have to get a special speaker mic from the company.
Don't you just love how I do that? I've got one of these little Heil headsets. You can get them off Amazon or something for about $30. And they've got 3 models. They got one for ICOM, one for Kenwood, and one for Yaesu. And I have a Yaesu radio and a TYT, which uses the Kenwood. They're very nice, but just gotta grab the right one, and I wish they would have standardized that somebody a long time ago, but yeah, we know how that goes. KB8AOB.
Okay, thanks for the information. I would like your permission. I am recording this to put on my YouTube channel, and I'd like your permission to do so.
No problem at all. If I'm not famous, I'm probably infamous. I'll get the idea. You have a great day. KB8AOB.
Okay, thank you, Richard. You're actually my first contact that I've recorded, and it'll be up on my YouTube channel. The channel is HamRad88. Have a good day. KE4 GSK.
Well, I'm really enjoying this getting the antennas out, and I'm not able to do as much of that and as high a power as I'd like to, but this DMR stuff is really great. It's just a wonderful opportunity for a lot of people. You have a great day. KB8 AOB clear.
Yes, this Retevis handheld DMR was sent to me for review, and this is the first exposure to DMR, and it's pretty interesting. Have a great day. KE4 GSK clear. Okay, I finally did it. Got a contact with a gentleman in Virginia on the system, the DMR system, using this Retevis RT82 that they sent me. I'm struggling a little bit because this particular repeater, which is the one that's in St. Pete, about 15 miles from me, I'm struggling hitting it with this 5-watt handheld unit. If I go outside, excuse me, I'm downstairs in my workshop. If I go outside and I stand up and I hold the radio up in the air, I can hit it. But otherwise, I can't hit it. So right now, I've got it connected to, let me see which antenna do I have it connected to. I have it connected to a 2-meter vertical antenna. And of course, I'm operating on 440. 70 centimeters, and it seems to be working okay now. I am kind of short on cable, so I'm having to talk into the microphone from 2 feet away. So initially the gentleman was saying that my audio was real low, and that was probably why, so I moved it as much closer to it as I could, which was about 12 inches, spoke very loud, and he was able to understand me, and we didn't have any dropouts or anything, and it worked quite well. So this radio is working really good. I really need to get a speaker mic so that I can have the radio over here close to my connectors, and or if I'm outside, I can raise the radio up in the air and use the speaker mic close to my mouth to talk into. So it does require a special speaker mic to connect to this special connector. You know, I've got a dozen speaker mics that plug like into my other radios in the side, in the audio and mic ports, some in the side, some in the top, but none of them have this very unique connector for the speaker mic, and this is the connector for the programming cable, for programming this thing. I'm hoping Retevis will send me a speaker mic, and then I can give you more demonstrations of the radio actually in use, and in use with its own telescopic antenna outside. And like I say, then I can sit down in my chair and on my patio. I can hold this above my head so that I can reach the repeater and then speak into the speaker mic and have full audio so people can hear me. So that's it. Again, I thank Retevis for sending me this radio, and thanks to Cherry, who's been helping me get it working, and Doug in Texas for helping me get it programmed. It's loaded with stuff now. I've got the 85,000 plus contacts loaded in this thing now. So anytime any of the members that are part of the DMR key or get on the air, I see that display. You saw it. Probably didn't see it very good because I can't get very close to my camera to magnify it, but it provides a lot of information about that person, their name, their location, city and state location, and some other information about them. Really makes it handy so you immediately get some idea who you're talking to and where they are. Or if you're just listening, you can see people talking to each other and where those people are. Like earlier, before I started the recording, there were two people talking, and one was in Australia. Now, I was hoping I'd get him, but he went off the air before I could try to contact him. So that's it. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. Have a great day. Bye-bye.